In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a language for sign language interpretation in Zoom. To get started, sign into your Zoom account and head to your account dashboard. Once you're on the main account page, look for the settings area. This is where Zoom keeps most of the options that control how meetings work. So if you ever need to customize your meeting experience, this is usually the first place to check. After opening settings, click on the meeting section. This page contains a long list of meeting related options, so take your time and scroll carefully if needed. What you're looking for is the advanced in-meeting settings. In Zoom, some features are grouped under basic options and others under more advanced controls, and sign language interpretation is located in the advanced section because it affects the way participants view and follow interpretation during a live meeting. When you reach In Meeting Advanced, find the setting and make sure it is turned on. If the toggle is off, click it to enable it. Turning this on allows Zoom to support the feature properly during meetings. If Zoom asks you to confirm the change, go ahead and approve it, so the setting is saved. Next, locate the option for Sign Language Interpretation View and toggle that on as well. This step is important because it activates the viewing mode specifically designed for sign language interpretation. With this enabled, participants can more easily access the interpretation experience during a meeting, which helps make the session more inclusive and easier to follow. Once that setting is active, click on the plus sign to add a language. This is where you define the language label that will be used for the sign language interpretation option. In the text field that appears, type the language you want to add. Make sure you enter the language clearly and accurately so it's easy for meeting hosts and participants to recognize later. After entering the language, your setup is essentially ready. At this point, Zoom will have the sign language interpretation option enabled along with the language you added. If you plan to use this feature in upcoming meetings, it's a good idea to review the settings one more time before leaving the page, just to make sure everything is switched on correctly. And that's how to add a language for sign language interpretation in Zoom.